This next song is one I've already said the name of a couple times, but I might as well say it again in my head. It's the third track on that EP. It has a lot of production on the record, but I try to do it justice when doing it live. She left me on red, and all my life was gone. I can't get her out of my head. Wait for the time she sets me free. I left my love in an envelope, never to be sent. In my head, I know I'll never speak to her. Why can't she leave my mind? I've thought